Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use money smartly. First, let's establish a solid foundation. Begin by creating a simple budget to understand where your money goes each month. Aim to save at least 10% of every paycheck, even if it feels small at first. This consistent habit builds financial security over time. Always distinguish between your essential needs and your discretionary wants before making any purchase. This simple step can save you hundreds of dollars annually. A straightforward way to manage your money is the 50-30-20 rule. 50% of your income covers needs, 30% goes to wants, and 20% is for savings and debt repayment. Make it a habit to track every dollar you spend, perhaps using a simple spreadsheet or an app. This daily awareness prevents overspending. Then, once a month, take about 15 minutes to review your budget and make any necessary adjustments to stay on track. Building a robust emergency fund is crucial. Aim for 3 to 6 months of essential living expenses. This financial cushion protects you from unexpected events. Automate your savings by scheduling regular transfers from your checking to your savings account. This set-it-and-forget-it method ensures consistent growth. Once your emergency fund is solid, consider investing in low-cost options like index funds. Even small, consistent investments can yield significant returns over many years. Tackling high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, should be a top priority. Focus on paying off the debt with the highest interest rate first to save hundreds of dollars. Make a conscious effort to avoid taking on new debt by ensuring your spending aligns with your income. Finally, think about your long-term financial goals. Whether it's retirement or a down payment on a home, setting clear savings targets will guide your smart money decisions for years to come.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.